Let's get into this beautiful palette. I will try not to blind you with the ring light hitting it back there, you can see. And I don't like any of the colors that are in here for my brow bones, so I'm definitely going to bring in my favorite. That's the Inhale color from Urban Decay, using my current favorite brush for that, C510. For some reason, I always do my brow bone first. It's just what I like to do. You can do it last. You don't even have to put a color if you don't want, but this is what I like to do. The lighter look on the brow bone, that's what I like. Okay, that's that. Let me try to move my hair out of the way. I should have grabbed the scrunchie. My hair was gonna keep getting in the way, so I had to go grab a scrunchie. Okay, now we're gonna grab the Morphe. These are some of the favorite brushes I've been using. Morphe M433 to do my makeup currently. And we're gonna dip it, which I already kind of dipped it, into this one right here. I'm really bad at showing it to you guys, this one. And then the glare too. And put it more as a transition, but definitely this is filling out our crease here. And I like to go back and forth on both. Let's see how this look comes out, because these colors really are beautiful and buttery. Like, it has really no kickback. Let me show you. See, oh, it goes all the way back. So when I dip it, you don't really see any powder really come up. So that's really nice. It doesn't get too messy. Not that the ones that have a lot of kickback are such a problem for me, but they do get messier. It gets, you know, your whole area kind of dirty, and even your palette gets dirtier that way. So I just keep blending. Just blend back and forth and see, you know, if you have about the same amount on both. I think we do. And let's say you have a little bit too much, or you want to blend it a little bit better. I grabbed this is just, I don't think this one is sold anymore, but it's from Smashbox. It's just another blending brush that is clean. And I'll just sometimes go around the edges so it could look more seamless. And that's what I'll do. And I'll keep this one even to do like, the, you know, blend in between the other colors I'm going to add. So we're going to put those brushes down. I'm going to grab a smaller brush, blending brush, for my crease M456, and I'm going to go in with this reddish tone, and we're going to add that one. This is another matte color. We're going to add it to the outer corner and into the crease, but I definitely want to place it in the outer corner first, so that it is darker in that area. And honestly, if you're learning how to do your eyeshadow, I would do your eyeshadow first and then do your rest of your face. But just in order to save time as I do these videos, that's why I've been doing it this way. But I'm one of the ones that loves to do my eyeshadow look first, and then, because I could be as messy as can be. Currently right now I'm trying not to go too outside of this line here. Like, I try to, you know, have like a pretend line right here. I'm trying not to go too out of that line, but when I don't have any makeup on the rest of my face, I'm as messy as can be. I go all the way out. I'll grab a makeup wipe and I'll just wipe it, and then it just cleans that area out, and then I'll do my foundation and all that. But I'm trying my best to be a little bit more precise. I really am loving the way that this color is looking though. Oh wow. Now her shadows, I really do love. I used it once, only once before, and it is such a beautiful, it was such an easy look too. I only used, I think, 3 of the colors the first set. I only used like this side, that day, and it's a very beautiful everyday look. And I think this is a beautiful everyday palette for, you know, those of you that might not wear makeup all the time, or you don't like too bold of colors. I still think this is very nice. What do you guys think? I have to blend it more. You see here how you can kind of tell exactly like where I blended the red and then the brown right here. I'll go back in with the one that does have color, the brown, and I'll blend that out a little bit more so that the colors are more, I like the seamless look. Like, I don't like it to look patchy, I guess. Is that what you would call it? I'm not sure. I'm usually not good, I guess, lost for words as to how to explain it, but I hope that I'll get better at it. I'm just trying to show you guys how I do my makeup, because I know you, my friends, I dipped a little bit in the brown because with the blending, I think I'm blending out the color out. And I just continue to look and see where I want to add more color. When you're learning, just continue to practice. Just the more you practice, the better you're going to get at it. Otherwise, if you never practice, you're never going to get good at doing your makeup. And I guess I practice a lot because I just love doing my makeup, so I practically do it. I would say right now I'm doing it at least 5 days a week, unless I'm sick, which I was sick this weekend, and that was not fun. Okay, I'm really loving how it's looking, but I've decided I could leave it like this and then add my lid colors, but I've decided that I want to use the brown too, and I haven't used, or did I use this brown? I can't remember. Anyways, I want to see what it's gonna look like if I add it only to the outer crease right here. Call it the outer V. I'm not adding too much. Like, I don't even think you can really see. I think because that burgundy color is pretty dark when you add it, that's why it's not making much of a difference. But I just wanted to test it out and see. It's a little different, but we're gonna blend it out and then you're not even gonna really see a difference, I think. I just wanted to try it out. Now let's blend. I'm gonna blend with the same one that already has some. Just blend out the color, and you do that to both sides, okay? I might not show you on camera, but you're basically just gonna do that to both sides. Okay, now I'm going to dip into this burgundy color that has some shimmer in it, and I'm gonna use my finger on one eye and a brush on the other one just to see how it applies and what's the difference. And I'm just applying it right here, mostly to the center, but leaving this area open because I want to apply the other color. I'm using a lot. I feel like I'm using most of the palette for this look. So there's that. Let's apply on the other side with the brush, but I'm definitely going to spray it. I like to spray my brushes. I'm using this brush. This is from MAC, and like I've said before, maybe I think it's 213. I don't remember the colors, and I've had it for so long that they, you know, it applies really well without spraying it too. That's how amazing these eyeshadows are. I really have no complaints on this eyeshadow palette, and I truly recommend it, even though it's pricey. But you know, obviously it's not a need, but it is beautiful. And if you're willing to invest in your makeup, this is a nice palette. I don't even feel like I need to spray it, but let's spray it just to see what the difference, if it shows a little more. I dipped it in again, and then I'm gonna see. It's definitely a little bit more vibrant. I don't know if you guys can tell through my camera that I have, but you don't have to spray it if you're working fast. Now we're gonna dip into the other color in this burgundy family, this one right here, and put it in the inner corner on the lid. I'm starting with the brush first. I'm gonna go ahead and spray, hold on, let's do it without spraying the brush. And I just use the other side of the same brush, okay? What do you guys think? Now I have to kind of blend those in, but let me spray it now. Let me spray it. You don't have to buy a brush. You can just use your finger like I did with the other one. I'm going to do on this eye. And use your finger for the shimmery colors. It applies very well like that. Wow. When you spray the brush, it definitely adds a bit more shimmer and shine. Now let's do this other eye with my finger. I'm trying to make them look the same. So now I'm gonna pat my eye right there where those two colors meet, just to try to blend those two colors in together, to blend them into the look, more seamless look. I think it's coming out beautiful and I really love it. Now I go back in with the blending brush and then I just blend into the crease like that. We're gonna go ahead and add an inner corner color. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go into the purplish pinkish family and use the light one right here. And I am gonna spray my brush. I'm using this brush. I don't have, I don't know when I think I had got it a long time ago from a BH Cosmetics site. It's just like a pencil brush, but this one's a little chunkier than other ones, and I just like it. We're gonna spray it after I dipped it in and put it in here. You guys see? I'm really loving the look. Okay, now we're going to use a smudger brush. This is from Sigma. It is the E21. I'm going to use the reddish tone matte color right here to smudge underneath. And I definitely always make faces when I do this. I go like that. It's part of it. I don't know why I'm trying to stop, but it's just part of it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of the shimmery burgundy color right there in the middle with the same smudger brush, and I'm not spraying it or anything, just in the inner part right here, just up to right here. And now I'm gonna add my favorite eyeliner. Current eyeliner is Urban Decay's Perversion in the waterline, top and bottom. How is the look turning out for you guys? I like it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna add my lashes and eyeliner on top and all of that with mascara and another, like a lipstick. I just have lip gloss, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Lashes are on. They're my current favorites. I think these that I have on are on their last leg right now. The Extension Seekers D-Curl 663 lashes from Salon Perfect. And then I have Brave lipstick on from MAC, which is this color right here. And I'm gonna put some lip gloss on top just so you guys can see what it would look like. And it's my current favorite as well, Fussy from Fenty. I definitely like it with gloss better. But I also wanted to try this look with like a deeper lipstick, and I will show you guys in a minute, but I want to see, what do you guys think of the look? Let me know. And I'm going to take this off and I'm going to try it on with the deeper lipstick, and then you guys can let me know which one was your favorite, the lighter lipstick or the deeper lipstick. I definitely would go for the deeper lipstick myself. I love it. So I'm using the Stila lipstick in the color Aria, and I love this color. Let me give you a swatch of this color. And Stila lipstick, especially right now with us having to wear the mask, I think this, if you're gonna wear a lipstick, I would wear these. One of my favorite brands to wear for liquid lipsticks. Now let's talk about just a little bit about the palette and overview. I don't know how to do reviews or anything like that, so that's not what I would call this, but I definitely have no complaints over this palette. This is such a beautiful palette. I think that if you guys do have the funds for it, I would definitely go out and get it. Even if you're a newbie with makeup, I think these colors are very easy to work with. But like I said, it is $75. It is an expensive palette, so it is not a need. If you don't have the funds for it, don't go put it on your credit card. I never will suggest that. Just hold off, save for it. If you actually, it's limited edition too, so well, I'm not sure how long it's going to be out there for. I know that it said it's limited edition, and I'm just happy that I was able to get it, especially with the 15% discount that I got from Sephora during the sale. I love the palette, no complaints. Get it if you can, but if you can't, no worries. Drugstore has some amazing makeup as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.